What's up everyone, it's Ryan Nelson and you are watching Kern Living. As you all can see, we have another taco truck here because it's time for Taco March Madness. But today, Ava and Bean are gonna take over. I'm gonna step to the side and they're gonna handle everything. So Ava, you can introduce yourself.
Hi everybody, I'm Ava. I'm a reporter here at 23ABC and this is my best friend Bean. What do we got? We've got, I'm a horchata girl. I know this is a taco themed thing, but I am a horchata woman. All right, we got the little tortilla batter on there. Can I try and make one?
Yeah, you can try to make one.
Okay, what do we do?
So right now she prepped a little
okay.
Little one.
Little push.
There you go.
Okay. Oh, look at that, guys. Wait. Oh, man.
Okay, then you're gonna set it on the...
There I am. All right. That was so cool. Groundbreaking, guys. Ava makes tacos. Man, this is like the first Kern Living episode I've been on. I don't want to just give it a 10, but it's kind of a 10. It's kind of a 10 out of 10.